Every day I see another news article crying, it's a housing bubble, or doom and gloom articles about the rising interest rates. Well, it's true that the market's changing. And today I wanted to talk to you about what we are actually seeing in the St. Louis real estate market. I'm John Adams with the Adams team at Keller Williams, and this is your May 2022 real estate market update. So despite the meteoric rise in interest rates that we've seen since the beginning of the year, most of our buyers are continuing to move forward with purchasing a home. Now, it's true that some are adjusting their price point down, so they've seen that their buying power has decreased with these rising interest rates, and understandably, they're now looking, instead of a $400,000 house, at maybe a $350,000. In other cases, they're just saying, hey, I'm going to get the house that I want, and I understand that it's going to cost me $500 more per month, and they're still moving forward. Now, inventory levels are rising slightly. We've got about 220 more homes on the market active as of May 13th than we did 4 weeks ago. So that's a big change in a small period of time. We're probably going to see that continue for a little bit longer. Part of that's just the spring market. It's a normal uptick in the level of inventory that we see every year. Since March, we've been sitting at below 1 month of inventory, and 67% of all homes on the market are currently under contract. So put that another way, if you drive by 3 homes that have a for sale sign in their yard, chances are 2 of those are currently under contract. Homes are selling on average for 102.1% of the list price, and much higher in certain communities. That's especially true at the more competitive price points. When you're at $500,000 or below, we're seeing levels as high as 103 and 104% on average, with certain deals going for 110, 115% of the list price. So statistics are pointing to this continued push up in price, but we're starting to see a change of that in some of the leading indicators and some of the anecdotal evidence that we have on the market. So over the course of the last month, we're finding less competition for homes. A house that shows extremely well, is priced well, that back in March, we would have seen 10 to 15 offers on. Now we're seeing, 2 to 5 offers on that house. These offers are still extremely good. Most of these offers still are on par with those crazy offers we saw a couple months ago, but that's only going to last for so long because people are catching on that the competition's not as crazy, and they'll start to adjust their offers a little bit down. That's not to say that prices are going to go through a substantial dip, but things should get a little bit better for buyers. For buyers generally, this means your prospects are improving a little bit. The likelihood of finding a house that you want, making an offer, and getting that offer accepted is going to improve for buyers. For sellers, there's no real need to worry about a giant swing in price. Projections are for continued appreciation this year and in the future. We saw in 2020 10% appreciation nationwide, 2021 18%, and projections for 2022 are 9%. You can make an argument how much of that have we already seen versus how much from here to the end of the year, but the bottom line is they're expecting 9% appreciation for this year, and in 2023, 4.74% appreciation, only dropping to the 3% appreciation, 3.67 actually, in 2024, 2025, 2026, in that same range. So again, I'm John Adams with the Adams Team Real Estate, and that's my St. Louis real estate market update for May of 2022. Would love to hear what your thoughts are. If you think differently or think that we're moving one direction or another as a real estate market, I'd love to hear. Reach out, give me a call, let me know.